If you had 5 million naira in 2023 and you left it in your savings account, today that money has lost nearly 40% of its purchasing power. But if you had put the same 5 million naira into a plot of land in a growth corridor like the Okeme, Ibeju-Lekki or the OOU axis of Ago Iwoye, you'll be looking at an asset worth over 20 million naira today. Most people think real estate is for the already rich, but I'm here to tell you that's a lie. Real estate is how you become rich. Today, I will show you the exact 2026 blueprint on land banking. I'll show you where to buy, how to verify your papers, and how to exit with maximum profit. Let's get started. So, what exactly is land banking? Think of it like a high interest savings account, but instead of paper currency, you are saving in it. You buy underdeveloped land in an upcoming government or private infrastructure, wait for it to develop, sell it when the price skyrockets. In 2026, you aren't just buying bushes, you are buying future cities. The key is patience. You are not a developer yet, you are a banker of land. Location is everything. If you buy in a place that's already built up, your profit margin is tiny. To hit those 300% returns, you need to look at the growth corridors. The Lekki expansion, with the airport and seaport maturing, land here is gold. The Ogun State Industrial Belt, specifically areas like the Mowe, Ofada, Ago Iwoye. Why? Because of the education and industrial expansion. Infrastructure like the OOU road is turning these quiet areas into high demand hubs. When you see a road being graded, it is a sound that your investment is growing. Don't wait to buy land and wait. Now, let's talk about the part that scares everyone, losing money to scams or omonile. In 2026, there is no excuse for losing money. Here's your 3-step safety audit. Never pay a dime until a registered surveyor has picked the coordinate and has confirmed that the land is not under government acquisition. With a CFO, a governor's consent, or a freehold, if the title isn't clear, walk away. If you are a beginner, buy from a reputable company like Aston Real Estate Limited. They handle the fencing, security, and documentation for you. It's worth the peace of mind. How do you get your money back? You have 3 choices. Number 1, the flip. Sell your raw land within 2 to 3 years for triple the money. 2, the development. Build rental apartments in commercial areas like Ibeju-Lekki, Mowe, Ofada, and educational hub like Ago Iwoye. Rental income is a pension for life. 3, the land asset swap. Use your appreciated land as collateral to fund your next big business venture. Land banking is the ultimate wealth shield in Nigeria right now. If you want my list of curated top 5 under 10 million properties in Nigeria right now, check the link in my description. Did you find this video helpful? If so, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Comment the word land below, and I'll be replying to as many comments as possible to help you start your investment journey. I am Racheal Amana Okeme, and I will see you again in my next video.